Save on fun, food, flights, etc. Travel for less. Link in the description. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be installing the Brinks kick down doorstop. And now, some of you might be wondering, why in the world would I install it right here? Well, this is the office door, and there's a drop right here. I have a holder on one of the work tables to keep the door open whenever I want to keep it open. But with this, I don't have to worry about that. I just install it, and the kick down doorstop keeps the door open. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, which is all pretty much just a one piece, extremely sturdy. It doesn't just drop down either. You really have to move it, and then you will hear the latch. As seen here, the installation instructions are as follows. The first step, with the door fully open, use a ruler to mark a horizontal line that is 4 to 5/8 from the floor. Use the thick kick down doorstop. Using the kick down doorstop as a guide, have the top holes of the door stop center. And if it gets a little loud, my apologies. The lawn crew is out there. I'm just using a pencil to mark the lines. And what I'm going to do from here is just take this and use this hammer just to make some points for the screws I'm going to be drilling in. And I'll generally do this to make it easier when it's time to actually screw in. sure I'm not screwing anything up. So got that in place. And generally what I would do, since I already have those holes there, is go ahead and do some drilling there. With the screws long enough, let me see. I'm gonna have to miss that last hole since and just go with the markings. So you can do it either way. Mark it and make some holes, or place it and hammer through the holes. So as you see, I have this going on. And now I'm ready to insert the screws. And now I don't have to worry about filling around for screw holes or worrying about the placement being correct, because I already have it set. One of the things that I was looking for, which is this. This is part of the toolkit, which I'm not sure where the rest of the parts are right now, because they're all inside one container. But I found the main tool that I was looking for. The reason why I like to start off with this is because I don't want these screws to go in sideways or anything due to the speed of the drill. So that's in. The process is been started. Shoot for the other hole. Let's see if I can give you guys a closer look. Lower this. And then once these go in, what I'm going to do is lift the door stop so that I can get the bottom ones. It sounds like the lawn service on. Crap. The holder for this is with the other parts. can't exactly utilize this drill. Let's see. It's possible I might be able to get it. It's not holding because I don't have the holder, but I'm basically just pressing it to prevent it from falling out. Awesome. So as you see, those are in. And so you see that's 30. It'll stop right there, and you can just bring it on down. So now it's time to get the two underneath. Awesome. Now I can get this off the thing I was holding the door with off the work table. Maybe that'll be motivation to get the rest of the studio in order. We've been holding off for I don't know how long. We've been in this space since 2018. Just let me start with the manual first. By the way, if you like the video, give a like, and if you want to know more about the product or get it, it's available at the link below. And by the way, shout out to Megan and Claire, who are part of the Brinks team. Awesome. And versus worrying about fighting with the screws the rest of the way. That's when the drill comes in handy. I always suggest after screwing in anything like that, you see that on my fingers? Always wash your hands afterwards. You don't want any of this stuff in your eyes. The same definitely goes for steel wool as well. When I'm low on juice. So now I'm gonna have to switch back over to manual and wrap it up. Let me see if I can switch to another angle. So we get down and knock this out. Moving the stool over. Get this up. Definitely. My next mission will be to wash my hands. And so there you just let me test this out first. Got a little slide going on there. Let's hold it. Awesome. Without it, let's close this. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this installment up and move on to the next.